everybody, it's Pat from Petals, Crafts, and More. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today we're making a lantern swag. It's going to be gorgeous. I love it anyways. I hope you enjoy it too. You'll see here I got me this lantern at the Dollar Tree. It was $5. Main reason why I got it was because I cannot find the lanterns that we had here, and I needed a base to go by, something to kind of put it on. I did make the swag a little larger because that is a smaller lantern, and the ones we had especially were much larger than that one. So I made the swag just a little bit larger than that one so it could fit on a variety of lanterns. You'll see here that I'm getting to know each and every stem of greenery and florals as I place them, and I'm placing them on opposite sides to one another. If one is laying on the right hand side going up, then it's laying on the left hand side going down. That way it will kind of mirror itself. You'll see. Now, there I go again, taking my large stems and saving them back for a rainy day, and re-stemming a flower. That stem was still too long, so we'll try another one. Get them placed on there. And then we're going to get it ready to put glue on, but you'll notice that we don't. That's because my glue pot was not working properly. So I turned it off and back on, hoping it would work, and went ahead and continued with the stem replacements on these flowers, but it didn't. So I had to turn the video off for a minute, you'll see here, and redo my plug completely on my skillet, and then it came on, thankfully. And there you see we're getting it glued, the head to the flower glued on. A little extra glue around the outside to hold it on, and then push that other leaf up against that to add more support. Still a little bit long, but we'll just trim it this time. We've done glued it. There again, we're going to put the head, the opening for the head was a little small for that stem, so I put it on first and then glued around it so that it would still hold it. And here I noticed that this one did not have the extra set of leaves, or any leaves, so I took the extra one off and replaced it. There again, we're going to save a longer stem, trade it for a shorter one. I save every stem that I cut or reshape or whatever I do. I've got a organizer for silverware in that drawer that I keep them in. Of course, the longer ones are beside of it, but it works out good for me because I'm always rethinking my arrangements. Now we're looking for us some zip ties to secure this thing together and get it going. These are just holding it in place until we get the bow on there, and as the further we go, the more securely it's going to be held down. But this will hold it in place for us to fluff it up and check it out and get it going. And then we'll make us a bow. Pull it tight, tight, tight. And then clip the excess off. Now we're getting to know the arrangement itself, looking for any impurities in it and fluffing it out and getting it to wake up and look alive. Of course, you're going to do this a couple of more times before you're completely finished, but I don't think you can fluff too much as it is. So just fluff to your heart's content there. And then we'll start measuring out, figuring out what size our bow needs to be. I want it to be a really full bow, so I don't need huge loops. Loops is right. But I want several of them. And I'm just going to hand tie this one. I think I got it in me today. It's so much quicker to hand tie them, if you ask me. I think we went with 6 loops on both sides. Let's keep them. None of them are exactly the same, but they're close enough to where you can't really tell. And then there, we're just going to hold it real tight and get our zip tie turned around right. I do that more often than none. I swear I do. And now we'll start fluffing. There again, you're going to fluff it a few more times, but go ahead and give it a good fluff and then tighten it up. And see what it's going to look like on the wreath. Obviously, I wasn't satisfied, but it did turn out beautiful. This is our finished product. You'll see I went back and added some pink, yellow roses. I had forgot to put the yellow into the arrangement. So I noticed that and had to go back and redo everything. So I just did that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and follow us. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think, where you're from. And send the petals to others. Let others watch our videos and get inspired by the beauty of flowers. Don't forget, we have an Etsy shop, Petals, Crafts, and More at Etsy.com. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day.